Hey everyone, it's Good Morning Bad Movie here, and I watched Avalanche Sharks last night, and it was technically a movie. Um, um, it sucked. Um, it's the writing in this film was um, bad, uh, non-existent, like very lazy. It was very, it was very troublesome to watch. Yeah. The sharks are just like some sort of like ancient protectors of a mountain, and they're like ice, so they can swim through the snow. It's ugh, it's rough, and it knows it's bad, right? So like, it's not interesting to me. I like bad movies, but I want a bad movie that's earnest, not like tongue in cheek even. Like, it's just not interesting to me at all. I want a movie that someone tried really hard to make an idea that they love and want to, be a thing. This epic thing, a movie. This is such a hard thing to create. And then I want that to be terrible because someone tried so hard. That's not what this is. This is like someone just pissing onto something, and that's what it. Ugh. It was awful. Every character is just a fucking awful person. No one, at no point do you like any person involved in the movie. Because the writer thought you should have a caricature of everything, which is not how you write anything. I'm sorry, I'm not a professional writer. I'm not a very good sleeper, obviously, also. But, I don't know, it's fucking stupid. Ugh. I don't know. I don't even know how to get into this. Like, it's not even enjoyable to watch. Like, it's a bad movie, but not a fun bad movie. It's just dumb. It's just, I almost multiple times turned it off. Just like, I don't care anymore. It's rough. Yeah, I don't know. Fuck it. But I got nothing else to say, guys. Like, I could talk more about this fucking movie, but it was just bad. And I don't want to talk right now. I want to go back to sleep. So, alright. Peace. And, this is Good Morning Ben Movie signing off. Be good to your neighbor. And stuff. Okay, bye.